guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a Nordstrom rack haul. Unfortunately, it was kind of a flop, which is surprising because I have found some really great things from Nordstrom Rack. I love Nordstrom Rack. In fact, I'll link a haul from last year in the cards. It was a really positive review in case you're interested. But I think it is important to share items that maybe don't turn out the way we expected, just for transparency. I know I love to watch YouTube for honest reviews, whether it be about clothing or makeup. And I did find some products that I enjoyed, so I will share those with you guys, of course, as well. But let's just go ahead and jump right in. So this is the first item that I did really like, and that's this Kate Spade necklace. I believe it's 18 karat gold, and it just has the little Kate Spade emblem and this little like coin-like charm with like a fake diamond around it. And it's just really simple, really elegant. I think it looks good with, you know, a sweater, a t-shirt. It's really versatile. And I think the quality is good. Really got a steal as far as the price goes. This originally retailed for $70 and I got it for $18. So moving on to some of the items that I did not like that were kind of misses for me. First up is this Zella sports bra. It was supposed to be one of those like longer sports bras. That's how it was depicted on NordstromRack.com. Unfortunately, on me, this was a regular sports bra. This was not long at all. It didn't even cover my belly button, and I kind of wanted it to be like one of those sports bra tank top-y shirts. And I also think the quality is very low. It's not soft. It's kind of like this itchy polyester material. And I wanted to get my receipt to make sure I was quoting the prices correctly. So I did end up getting this sports bra for $12.62, and overall it was really uncomfortable when I put it on. I feel like the sizing in Zella is extremely weird. I've gotten some other products from them. I got a pair of leggings from them 2 seasons ago. They were so big on me, they fell down. Like I couldn't even like walk to the bathroom and they would fall down, like let alone be good enough to exercise in. I thought this sizing was weird too. Like it was just very tight, and I have a pretty small chest, so I don't know who the heck these items are made for. The sizing just all seems really off to me, and the material seems really low quality. So I don't think I'm going to be ordering from Zella anymore, even though the pricing is pretty good, especially compared to brands like Lululemon or Alo Yoga. But when you get those clothing pieces from those stores, the items just feel so much softer. They're buttery, they last a really long time, and I think it's probably just worth it to spend the money because I'm not impressed with this. I'm taking it back. It just was not what I expected. Likewise, these shorts were a pretty big flop, and these are also from Zella, and these are black running shorts. And I was under the impression from the picture that they would be longer, and I wanted them to be longer because I am tall and I typically put running shorts in the dryer, so they shrink very quickly and they really quickly become too short. I have running shorts that I purchased 2 years ago that now are like way too short on me because they've shrunk in the dryer. However, I did not want shorts down to my knees. These are just way too long, not my style. Again, I think the picture was very misleading. It definitely looked a lot shorter online. I guess though this is on me, I will take accountability for this purchase because I could have read the length and then I would have known, but I guess I just expected them to be like kind of a nice mid-length running short. If you guys know of any like nice mid-length running shorts for taller people, let me know, because I feel like so many workout shorts are just super short, and like I would like my butt covered when I'm trying to do exercises. I don't know. But anyway, I'm definitely taking these back as well. And these were originally $22.97, and I believe these were about half off. The one item from Zella that I did like is this gray cropped sweatshirt. It's a little bit of a boxier fit, slightly oversized, just how I like my sweatshirts, like pretty fitted, but a little oversized. And this is really soft, so it just feels like a nicer quality item. I just like this gray color, nice and neutral. Definitely will be cute with leggings. You could probably dress it up, wear some necklaces, and pop it on with a pair of jeans. So I was actually satisfied with this item, and I will be keeping it. I was also satisfied with this. I ordered this travel container, and I was originally going to keep it for myself, but after going to Seattle with my boyfriend and seeing him not have a travel bag and put all of his toiletries on the sink, I was like, I think I should give this to him. So I'm probably going to give this to him as a part of his Christmas present. I will say, I think the pricing for this item is absolutely outrageous. The original price was $78 and I ended up getting it for $7 as a final sale item. Now it's a nice bag, like it's a quality bag. Like I think it makes like a good gift, but it's nothing special. It's not even, I don't even think this is real leather. And I don't know. I don't know why the heck this item is priced so high. I don't think it should be worth anything more than $30. You could easily find this at Target and like pick up a dupe. So I don't get it. I got a good deal on it and I think it will make a nice gift, but it's nothing like crazy special. Finally, this was an unfortunate flop because I did really like these. And that is these shoes from Adidas, and I do have a bit of a wide foot. However, usually tennis shoes, I don't need a wide, and especially in Adidas, because Adidas usually runs big. So that kind of makes me think that sometimes stuff at Nordstrom Rack is like incorrectly sized. I don't know. But anyway, these were really cute. Just these super simple gray and white sneakers. But they were just too narrow for me and they don't fit my foot at all. I can't even shove my foot in these. So that's unfortunate. But they also were like scuffed up over here. I don't know if you guys can see on camera, there's like black scuffing. So even if they fit me, I would have been kind of disappointed with that, but the price was pretty amazing. These were $28, and I think if you can find a pair of like Adidas or top brand running shoes for less than $50, that's a steal, let alone less than $30. And they're really pretty gray and white. They just don't fit me, unfortunately, so I will be taking those back as well. So yeah, this haul was pretty disappointing. And I'm sorry that I was kind of critical of the products, but I do believe it's important to share transparency and real life opinions. I haven't seen a whole lot of reviews online about Zella products, so maybe if someone had kind of said what I'm saying about them, I wouldn't have been inclined to try their products. So just wanted to put my true thoughts and opinions out there on the internet. Let me know your thoughts. Have you been shopping recently? Did you pick up anything at Nordstrom Rack? If so, was it a hit? Was it a miss? I'm not sure if my giveaway is still going on at this point, but I did recently do a giveaway of a Too Faced eyeshadow palette, so be sure to check that video out and see if it's still live. I'm not really sure when I'm uploading this. I'm trying to pre-film a lot of videos because I have a couple trips coming up. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!